Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of How to Guide. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix if your TikTok is saying you follow and unfollow too often, try again later. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Whenever TikTok says you follow and unfollow too often, try again later, there is one thing that you should know first. Whenever you follow and unfollow so many people at same time, TikTok's AI and community guideline will think about that your account is compromised, hacked, or maybe your account is being used by robotics or AI. So in this kind of scenario, TikTok will show you this kind of notification to protect you and your privacy and your account. In this kind of scenario, if your internet connection and everything is very good, then you should try to wait for some hours, and that would be the best solution for this problem. If you are having any problem to unfollow or follow anyone and showing that kind of messages, just simply close your TikTok application or just simply stop following or unfollowing for some hours and then try again later after that time period, because TikTok often limits how many people you can follow or unfollow at specific times, and after that your problem will be solved. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.